everyone, Alex here, and I have one of our neck label transfers, and I'm going to show you how you can press these onto your t-shirt in a few simple steps. Before we press them, let's go over the specs on our neck label transfers. To find them, go to Heat Transfers from the home page and search Neck Label Transfers, or you can click on Screen Printed Heat Transfers on the left-hand menu and then scroll to the formula. Our neck labels can capture fine lines, details, and text so you can rep your logo on your clothing line. Their starting price is at $363 per sheet for designs with one color. You can choose up to 3 colors to print. And remember, we have the best user-friendly mockup generator for gang sheets out there, and it's available for free when you sign up, so don't miss out. You can also view all artwork requirements on each formula's product page, and if needed, we offer artwork services as well at an extra cost. Now, let's get pressing. You can start by tearing off the label on your tee if you want to do that or not, and in the meantime, set your heat press between 285 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 325 for 100% cotton if it's like the t-shirt I'm using, and of course I'm pressing my transfer on our preferred blank super soft apparel. So then you're going to lay your design down where you want to print it, and make sure your pressure is set to 60 psi if it's on an automatic machine like the one I'm using, or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine. You're going to press for 10 seconds, and then you can peel hot, and you're good to go.